Snapchat video sound not working. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix if your Snapchat video sound is not working. All you have to do now, go and open up your Snapchat app like this. After you open the Snapchat app, now tap on your profile at the top right side, left side. After you open profile like this, now go to settings. After you open setting like this, now scroll all the way now to down, scroll to down, and go to permissions. Scroll to down, go and search for permissions. Here is it now. Tap on this permissions. After you open permission like this, now here it says camera and contacts and location. So tap on this. As you can see, it says microphone. So now tap on this to enable this one. So now it will open this option for you. Now tap on this permissions again. So after you open the permission like this, now scroll all the way to down. Here is microphone, so tap on it. After you tap on the microphone, now tap on this allow only while using the app, this one. So as you can see now, by doing this, now you enable microphone of your mobile phone to use a Snapchat. So now you can just go ahead and make a video. That's it on how to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.